Hi, it's me, your robot friend. Today I am going to discuss with you the digestive system. Digestive system is a group of organs that break food molecules by mechanical and enzymatic process into small and absorbable pieces to get energy and provide nutrition to the whole body. The digestive system is composed of gastrointestinal tract and accessory organs. The gastrointestinal tract is composed of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, as shown in the diagram. While the accessory organs are tongue, teeth, salivary glands, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, as shown in the diagram. This is just basics of digestive system. For more information, see you in next video.